Hello, 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 and welcome back, all my sweet kikis. We are back with another video. Let me show you, slide the video over a little bit so you can see my grandson. So, yeah, he's out. We got to squinch in him. I think it'll be getting though. Slide over just a little bit to the left. Don't squeeze it. Just slide
this way.
Okay, yeah, it'll get him like that. Got wide range for some great tablet. Hey y'all, we're back with another video. We're gonna give a shout out to my sister. She wanted her great nephew to give her a shout out on this dinner. Say shout out to Auntie Connie.
Shout out to Connie.
So we have our family time, family dinner. Lunch was left for one. This is what the old people call supper. But we ain't eating stuff. It's still around lunchtime. It ain't even 2 o'clock yet. Oh yeah, it's 2. It's left 2. Anyway, happy Sunday to everybody. We have today.
What's in that plate?
We have carrots. I kind of wait, baby. We're gonna drop the plate. Let Kim show them in a minute. But we have cinnamon sugar carrots. We got green beans and red potatoes. We got fried chicken. And we got smothered fried chicken. Let me show my grandson. Let me show y'all his plate. He done start eating. You make sure you eat your vegetables now. You show sweet kikis that you eat vegetables too. We're gonna pray and then we're gonna get it in.
Lord, bless this food we're about to receive. Bless the hand that prepared it. Let this food be helpful and not harmful in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.
Yeah, I ain't got no Louisiana. We ran out because we do eat it. But I do got some what? Valentina.
It's spicy.
It's spicy. You know, Valentina love thicker. You got to be careful. We drinking the diabetic light skin. We have a little bit, y'all. I told my daughter, I thought you were going to get the little things upstairs and give me a straw. I'm going to add a flavor pack in here on one of them. Just a pack. Ooh,
Okay,
bite the chicken.
One strawberry peach.
Give me a strawberry peach.
I want strawberry peach.
Oh, this is the only one.
I want strawberry
This
too.
is the lemon lime.
I want strawberry peach.
I want strawberry.
Bring me both of them just in case they ain't flavored
I
enough.
want strawberry peach too, Timon.
Okay.
I want strawberry peach too.
Y'all, the way I cook these baby carrots so my grandson can eat them, I had my daughter show her how to put some brown sugar, some white sugar, some cinnamon. I don't put butter in, but we out of butter. But it still tastes good. You okay?
Mom, can you make
Right, you got yours right there.
Kim, that's on. He wants some of the strawberry peach.
Yeah, I'm adding some Welch's strawberry peach single. Yeah.
I'll go by myself.
No. I'm gonna make sure I'm putting it on the mix, okay? But look at that color that came through. Oh!
You gonna get some strawberry peach?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna let you do it. Let me open it, please. Is we gonna fight over this thing or no?
No.
I got to open it, baby. He's so impatient. Okay. Don't pour all of it, just a little bit. Is you looking? You trying to see what's flashing? Okay, now stir it up. You want some of yours? That strawberry peach pizza. Come put the rest of it in. Okay, okay, okay. It's stirred up. It's stirred up. You stirred up the gift?
Stir it up.
Mm-hmm. Stir up the gift.
Hey, so I made something. Want to try some?
Okay, they drunk some. Alright, baby, let's do a thumbnail.
You take care for a thumbnail. Look.
Y'all see he be rude and rebellion on his camera. I'm gonna move with my switch when we get off. Oh, my baby did one. See that? Good job. Come on, let's do it together.
Okay.
The green bean good.
Yeah.
Now. Yes.
That carrot pretty good.
Mm-hmm. So like I was saying, I did the carrots like this so my grandson to eat them. Because he really don't like them by themselves.
I food.
Already?
Yeah.
You need to try carrot.
Eat the carrot.
It's carrot, but you ain't got the two.
But these green meat and potato. We got sweet onion, bell pepper.
We gotta be strong.
I put chicken bouillon in water with some garlic powder, onion powder, and no, mixed up.
I food.
And some salt and pepper.
Wait, you don't know.
You gonna eat
them all.
You do them on carrot.
Eat them 2 carrots. You ain't got the 2.
And she's breaking that.
Sit down.
Food.
Okay, I cut them up. Use your fork. And eat a potato. Yes.
Mm-hmm. So quick to eat the potato. Don't let it fall.
Sit
Hold
down.
it right, you know. It's gonna fall. Open up.
Sit down.
Food.
Hey, stop, boy.
Cool. Hurt snack.
These
Ah.
carrot have been in them in the refrigerator when we want to go bad. So we cook them. If you know carrots are genuinely sweet.
Eat them
Yeah,
carrots.
three more pieces.
I'm sorry.
They genuinely are sweet, so it don't take much to sweeten them. What for you?
Can you put some more?
When I throw the wrong way, you know I want the gristle. Yes, I eat my husband gristle off his chicken because he don't eat it.
You gotta tell him back in the throat.
I told you I put that much on there.
I'm not eat potato.
He got stuff in his mouth.
I know I have to do it.
See, all of them had to coach him to eat his best because he won't eat them. He try to pop up. But he don't eat them. Yes.
That's enough. No.
For those that
Eat
say,
that one right
you shouldn't make a child eat if they don't, yeah. Because we don't need him to be feeble.
All right, use your own.
And sickly.
I think.
He eat vegetables, he just be trying, he's trying to get him going to play.
I should play it again.
Look, you ain't saying nothing about the food yet.
It's good.
You don't want to be a sweet kiki today? You act like it. Act like she went to bed last night.
I did.
Trying to sit up with me.
I did.
Went to bed 2 o'clock in the
Grandma,
morning.
use my
I was
phone.
up there late too. Shoot.
They got beans in there. Those are beans.
Sorry, but we knocked that. I was up there just whoa.
Mm-hmm.
It's good, the beans.
He eating the bean out the hole.
You see, you gonna be the fried chicken like that too. You know,
Stop popping out.
like-
Eat the whole bean.
He just trying to eat a little bit.
He ain't trying to eat the bean inside the hole.
I died full.
Or they're gonna be your, you're gonna eat that later.
Hmm?
You ate all your carrots, yes. Now, yeah. I'm gonna eat the chicken skin since you don't want it.
See, I will go back and play race cars.
Okay, go play with
Tell
the
the two kitties bye-bye.
Come bye-bye.
That's it, Gigi.
They said bye.
Give me your kiss.
They did.
They did, yeah.
Bye.
Wow.
Let's see, Mom.
Mm. Y'all.
You might have me start eating my carrots too.
That's not your problem with what you said without cinnamon sugar on it.
I eat it with like ranch and stuff. I like it in mixed vegetables.
You should start putting them in the salad too.
I don't know about
I'm
that.
telling you, body start aching when you don't eat right.
No, nobody no salad.
Then we have shredded carrots and meat. You eat them.
And coleslaw. I barely eat that either.
Y'all, that my husband left all that stuff on the kitchen. We from the South. We don't do that. Stop playing. You put an eye water in your eye? I think tell you put an eye water in your eye. I'm gonna clean your bone for you. Don't worry about it. No meat go to waste.
I ate the gristle.
Ain't good.
I ain't want it. It's good, thank you.
You're welcome. Did you like the smell of chicken?
Did I pass the test?
I don't know. Oh yeah, I thought it was meat. They gristle good.
You're really too fatty.
Gristle ain't bad. What you talking about?
That man was just too fatty to me.
It was too big. You mean the gristle was too big? More meat. More meat, please. You know when your mixed meal coming. On purpose.
I like it with stuff in the already.
Yeah, that tastes pretty good.
And what?
Lemon pepper.
And the gravy.
You didn't know this?
I did gravy.
It is gravy, but you don't know what I seasoned it with. He don't cook. He grills. Now he'll bake some chicken every now and then, or bake some meat, but that's about it.
It's been a minute since he cooked in the kitchen for
Seasoning and vegetables and stuff. Let him else do it.
around here over pepper anything.
Even rice.
Somebody a whole bunch of
Grits-
pepper in the right
The
take
grits be
off.
looking black.
I like black pepper.
If you like it for yourself, we can't feed everybody. They'll be choking everybody else. He had made some, what it was, some dirty rice.
Yeah.
I told him what to get. Told him how to do it. Had hot and mild sausage already in there. Why come he gonna add Cajun seasoning in there?
In the what?
Some cayenne pepper. That's what it was. Cayenne pepper. But I already had. I had a 1 pack of mild sausage and 1 pack of hot sausage. That right there was a seasoning, the spice to it, right? And ground beef.
Yeah.
Rice was looking pretty. So
It was good, it was just spicy. But was it good?
I can't tell. I couldn't get it done. I think I did like 3, 4, and I couldn't do it. My mom was on here strong. I said, "Lady, stop eating that stuff right here."
When was that?
She kept eating it.
It was a long time ago.
In 21.
Okay.
I said, "Lady, stop eating that stuff before you have a heart attack over here with that car in there." Man, it's good, but
I can see you doing it.
well, let me get me some water. I said, "You gonna get eating?" Like, yeah.
Gonna choke herself out.
We had good time back home from a 4.5 hour drive. He won't cook for us, baby. You couldn't even water that out. Did you eat the rest of it?
I ate most of it.
Made a big old pan.
Mm-hmm.
Baby,
He thought he did something.
It
And by killed
It was looking good too.
looking delicious.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how much cayenne pepper he dropped in there, but it don't take much to do cayenne pepper and make your stuff spicy. And you already got spicy hot sausage in it.
I think I put about maybe all together 3 tablespoons.
That's a lot.
You must thought it was some paprika.
Mm. It was a big pot, so I wanted to make sure.
That one,
Forget that.
oh, even just a teaspoon probably would have been fine.
He didn't put none on because he had hot sausage.
True. Yeah.
Stop popping.
Should have tasted it before you added it.
He don't taste the food.
I
That one-
did taste it. It didn't taste spicy to me until after
Once it
got-
settled.
Yeah, when it settled and it got done, I tasted it. I said, "Oh, get your hot."
He could have called me and told me so I could stop him and got me something to eat. But nah, he wanted to kill us. I was over here just sweating.
No, you like spice, remember?
I don't like a killer. Baby, it's making me hot.
I like this food.
It was good.
Thank y'all, baby. I took a shower. Yeah, it's great. You taste pretty good, though.
Excuse me, I got a happy
Took
place.
shower out of how many days?
If I'm so smelly and stinking, don't take showers every day or wash every day, why are you laying in the bed with me?
Because he
You
loves
sitting on camera like on baby. Mom said, get them where they show it at. Get them where they show it at. Stop rubbing my bed. I'm hot. I'm sweating.
I know. I was trying to wipe this sweat too.
The sun beaming in off from off the porch.
I'm
And you, where your wet touching me?
wiping the sweat.
Jesus.
My eyes so heavy.
I'm gonna use some melatonin. I'm gonna use some melatonin.
That's almost like after every time we eat, my eye get heavy.
You need the ice. You been want all this favorite food. You eating a salad for the rest of the week.
I don't eat salad. Not like that.
That sentence didn't go there. I don't eat salad. They not like that. That means you do eat salad,
I
sir.
don't eat salad that often. But not to have it more than one time a week.
Y'all look at that hair. I got that hair together. See how I got control of that head.
Just soft.
When last time you felt your hair soft like that? Never.
Never. Thank you. I do got good hair.
I didn't say you didn't. I said when last time you had it soft.
Mm-hmm.
You know like you want to do something.
Mm-hmm.
You gave me look like you want to do something.
I have. I want that now.
Go ahead. Go wash
Okay.
some dishes. You got that one.
I'm not working today. I gotta go to work tomorrow.
Now I done slayed up this stove. I was gonna bake the chicken. So I sit down. But somebody said they want fried chicken. So I fried mixed with some chicken. And he think I don't go to work tomorrow. I don't work this so much as he do.
You do. But I'm just saying me. I'm talking about me. I'm not working today because I gotta go to work tomorrow.
Well, why did I have to work today? You ain't gonna work.
And she got a whip mom.
You ain't have to work today.
Oh, so I could just feed me something to eat? Y'all heard it first.
Remember
So next
that.
time he walk around here with a garbage mouth. Just know, I didn't have to fix you any.
I ain't making it.
What you gonna eat?
Hmm?
What you gonna eat if I didn't?
I ate them waffles.
That I cooked for breakfast yesterday.
That's a salmon.
That my hands prepared. What else you got?
Sounded like a helicopter.
I got washing machine, right? Ain't you wash? Y'all have to deal with this every day.
Papa, can you pay another race car?
Oh, I ain't off y'all let me eat today, huh?
Race car.
I'm sorry. This is my first meal of the day.
She real hungry.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you didn't eat that? You didn't eat that steak that was in there?
Mm-mm. Yeah, you know I don't really eat what I cook. While I'm cook, I can't.
You sure about to finish your plate this time.
And yes.
Give me the rest of the chicken.
No.
And that hot sauce on it too.
You want who chicken?
I ain't eating no giant leg chicken.
Don't do my baby.
You dip your chicken in water.
And do that
They
day.
ain't doing that.
Mm-hmm.
He was opening up a green bean when he realized it had beans on the inside. It was sucking them out.
He was getting over.
See,
Ooh, they so good. Like he just really eating green beans.
He'll eat green beans though.
When they season them.
Mm-hmm. Them green potato good. I'm finna give me some more, but I'm full. I ain't gonna eat, but I'm gonna give me some more later. How many pieces of chicken you done had?
3. Take the garlic powder back. What you brought garlic powder out for?
You put on the green bean.
Yeah, I already had some on there.
I couldn't taste
You must have brushed your teeth then. You didn't take that garlic.
You take that garlic.
You have to heavy season this garlic.
I don't think you know how to cook. I don't think you know how to cook.
And the cayenne dirty.
If it weren't for me, what y'all ate when you had them surgeries? I cooked.
You gave me canned food.
No, I cooked.
What you cook?
Whatever
Tell me
you
one
want.
meal.
Huh?
Tell me one meal you made.
I had made some.
Come tap you on the camera so they can see your face. Come on here.
I know one time, one of y'all, or both of y'all, was sick. They had to make y'all some chili.
Mm-hmm.
You had to instruct me how to make. I was in high school.
Yeah, I made some baked barbecue chicken,
Don't touch me when you're doing it.
early peas, green beans
Early people.
with mashed potatoes.
Early peas out the can. I didn't have to tell you he fed me canned food.
Mashed potatoes.
Box mashed potatoes. Get your foot down! Get out!
Move your feet off the table.
What's wrong with you?
That's nasty. Don't do that. You know better.
I made what else? I had made you some baked fish, rice. I did some collards one time.
No, I know you lying.
Can call them glowing.
Yeah, but they were collards.
Like,
Don't have
folks
folk think you made some fresh collard greens.
Like,
Don't
I never
have
seen no fresh collard greens before that.
Again, I said he fed me some canned food.
Don't I cook for y'all sometimes?
Don't lock up, pop.
Ain't that right?
Last time I remember
Oh, I
we
guess he
cooked
think grilling is cooking. He'll grill when I eat some grill.
the last time I seen him actually in the kitchen was sometime last year. He had cooked some fried chicken when we had brunch with some eggs. And I think he ate some waffles.
He fried some chicken
I
wings?
did waffles.
but-
I did chicken and waffles.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
And I put some. And
I got a waffle maker, though, yo.
And I drizzled like some honey and other stuff over the chicken.
thought you put a rating on it or a parsley or something on the chicken.
Oh, he'll heavy parsley and oregano you too. Hey, over there sneezing and
It tastes good on the chicken though. I can give him that.
Then it don't. Yep.
Now he can bake some food with it, but it's either gonna be heavy season or lightly seasoned.
Not even.
I know,
Not
right?
proportion.
But I'm thankful for it, cause when I do, if I get sick, he'll go get me some soup or some pho.
Nah, my papa.
I done made some pho for you before. I
We
did.
gonna end
What,
on
some
that
ramen
note.
noodles?
Yeah, she told me some ramen noodles, cut up her
That's
some
not
broccoli,
That's not fun.
noodles. Huh?
All right, thank y'all for watching this family video today. Our mukbang. We'll see you guys on the next video. We love you.
Love you.